This study was about to create for first time an artificial intelligence software to integrate the clinical, the genomic, and the social determinants of health in order to better understand our patients and for first time coin this as an integration of three levels or three layers of knowledge to provide and basically predict the healthcare to provide this comprehensive care as one of our main missions in City of Hope. This study was designed from scratch. We basically generate for first time a cognitive model in which is based on a Python level script where we try to find the best way to integrate data by having a conversational activity with a software. Basically, this tool was designed to is a conversational tool that was designed to basically have these conversations with a software that can basically analyze the data for us, integrate the data for us, and provide recommendations based on the analysis, deep analysis at bioinformatics level. The result of this study is that we provide and basically we develop for first time an artificial intelligent conversational tool that help us not just to analyze data, but also to interpret data and integrate data at different levels by using databases, public databases that everybody can basically download and understand. And one of our main point is that this model will be free for everybody. Is right now on the publication part where people can basically check this crystal model of AI, check it and familiarize with this, be confident about how it works. And of course, let us know questions since we built a model for the community, the scientific community. And we are so happy at this point to share the first model for conversation as a conversational tool to integrate clinical, genomic, and social determinants of health data, basically from public source. The significance of these results is that basically we compare different journals, different studies that had exactly the same results that our AI agent, AI conversational tool agent. And one of the impressive part here is that the AI conversational tool agent that we develop bring results, very accurate results in minutes, just in comparison with usually projects that takes days, sometimes months to generate the same type of results. And one of the key components in this generation of a very accurate and with a short time, the results is basically based on the embedded bioinformatics and oncology knowledge from the software that interact 24/7 in order to understand better how to integrate the data and compare with different studies a more accurate, a more precise way to show results and analyze the data.